Can you believe for my first review in the blue corner? In the red corner. Now look, we're gonna speak more about this. We're gonna go in depth. Right here, we have got
Dominic,
and we've got Michael. You actually bought the car first.
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Yeah.
And why is it that you bought it? Like, something you like Japanese cars?
Yeah.
Yeah?
GTR was always my dream car and I want it and yeah.
Okay. And then you liked it so much that you went and go and bought the exact same car.
Yes.
In Austria, you can't have a car this powerful?
No.
No?
No. It's not like in UK or in Australia where you can pick two sports.
Basically, we can't disclose the power that it's pushing right now. So this one's got the most power. This one has less power because it's not finished yet.
The software is not programmed on this car on the ECU.
So what we'll do, whoever comes closest to the power, I'll pin it, and that way we get around the loophole.
Was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
Let's speak about your car first. So what have you done to it so far?
It's a GTR V-spec with an suspension, other brakes, wheels, semi-slicks, full interior go out, roll cage, Recaro.
Okay, you got a roll cage, no? Okay. Oh yeah. Is that? That's not. Okay. And what more are you planning to do with this car? Like, what's the aim here?
I planned on this more club sport, more horsepower and more aggressive suspension to drive.
Okay. So obviously you had to import these cars from like Japan.
Yes.
Was that difficult to do?
No, we have a friend that imported these cars, and this one was in Austria.
Okay.
My last one, my GTST, was in Japan, and we imported from there.
Okay. So you haven't actually done much to this car, really, have you? Like it's pretty much from stock, but you have big plans for it.
Yes.
Okay. What gearbox have you got?
The OEM gearbox.
But do you plan to change that?
Maybe in years sequential.
Okay.
Maybe.
What's the reason why you don't want to change that? Because your friend over here, he's changed it. I thought you wanted to keep it the same.
Yes, maybe it's nice to drive like this.
Yeah?
Yes.
So let's come to you. So you've actually done more to this car.
A little bit.
Just a little bit, just a little bit, just being modest there. So you've actually got, what gearbox is that?
Also 5-speed.
Huh?
Also 5-speed.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the same.
That's
it's
not a
just a quick shifter or a short shifter. Yeah.
That is a quick shifter.
Yeah.
But yours ain't a quick shifter.
No. This one maybe in years sequential, right?
Right.
This is short shifting for the OEM gearbox.
Yeah, I get you.
It's 70% shorter.
Okay, so what have you done to this car?
Oh, the rims, the brakes, also in the back,
Okay.
the front, the Series 3 Xenon, Nismo lip, bonnet lip, the N1.
This might be a dumb question. What does this do? Is it just
Nothing.
for style, or is just
Yeah.
okay? Just for style. Okay.
Just-
What would be the one thing you would change to this? Like as a gift to him, what would be the one thing that you would change?
The first thing, yeah, the height of the car.
The what?
Uh,
Oh, the height.
Yeah.
Okay, so you okay? I think. So your one's been lowered.
Yeah.
Has it got bigger wheels?
No, it's the same.
Same wheels.
Same size. Yeah.
But your one's just been lowered.
Yeah.
Out of all the things you chose to say you would lower it out of everything, but you wouldn't choose to make it faster or anything like that. Or?
Optic.
Oh, really? Just
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
And a little bit better to drive.
Yeah.
The car is lower
Yeah.
and in curves runs better.
What would you say would be the one thing that you don't like about this car? What would be, what would be the one thing you would take? What would be the one thing you would take away?
The one thing I take away from this car, the car. I must say the color. And don't
Color? You don't like the color?
Really,
Alright, you
this
know
with
what?
the purple.
I feel like the colors. All right, forget the color. Forget the color. Something. Yeah. The color's a bit of a scapegoat. Let's something that's been modified.
maybe the wheels, but it's really hard for me because this car is perfect.
Yeah. So, do you plan to one day get it up to the same power and up to the same spec as this car, or do you want to even go beyond that and make him have to up his game?
I want really same things he has,
Yeah.
but not all.
Not all. Yeah. Okay.
I would change something from it's my style
Yeah.
on this car that's not complete the same.
So, what more have you got to do with your car? Like, is there any other projects you're gonna do with it? Any other things you're gonna do with it?
No.
No, you're happy with how it is right now.
No, it's
Oh wait, hold on. Wait, he's got more. No. You have to say he's got a deep breath there.
No, yeah.
I feel like you would add a few more things.
No.
Oh, it's perfect.
It for me, it's really perfect.
Yeah?
It's from optic, performance. It's really nice.
His one's louder. Are you? Hold on. Are you putting it down? Yeah. Your one's louder. Can we do it again? Yeah. One more time. This car was actually, this car was louder on the rev. Like it was actually, I think there might have been one pop there, but this one sounded quite restricted. Why is that?
I don't know.
Just luck.
Just like this.
Right, so we've got the bonnet up now. That is like a massive ratchet. This is the only thing that I can see that's different in this car. What is this? Because everything else looks the same.
it's just an engine temper.
Is it what, sorry?
Engine temper.
And what does that do?
It keeps the engine in the right position if you put the throttle and the engine works.
Yeah?
The engine can't move too much. And it's straight in the engine area.
And your car doesn't need that?
In the future, maybe yes.
So it's not fast enough for it to need it right now.
It's yes, maybe. GTR parts really expensive.
How expensive are you talking? Like how much would the damper cost? Just roughly.
I
top of your
don't
head.
know. I don't search right now for that.
You're the guy that's bought it. How much does a damper cost?
It's about 150. Yeah.
Euros? 150 euros?
Euros.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cheap. 150 euros?
Yes,
Yeah,
but it's
just.
How much do one of these cars cost?
Oh,
So obviously you bought it 10 years ago. So
Yeah.
but so how
Nothing.
much does the car? Because you bought it recently. How much does the car cost?
this. So right now here with all parts, 68,000 euros.
And you're tripping over £150 for a damper.
No, yes.
Recently, how much was yours? Out of interest, just roughly, if you can't remember, just roughly. But you bought it 10 years ago.
yeah.
How much was it roughly?
Cheaper.
Really
cheap.
You don't disclose. You know what I never asked? What year is your car?
What year?
Yeah,
It's 1996.
1996. And what year is your car?
1995.
1995. So guys, I've done this review all backwards. Yeah, I've just, excuse me. Yeah, but I've just realised like this one's a bit more, rough. Like he's got the roll cage in it. See what I mean? Like he's left it stock. I know he's got things to do, but this one is a bit more snazzy, shall we say? Hasn't got the roll cage in it. What does Nismo mean?
Nissan Motorsports.
They look
Tuning.
very expensive.
Yeah. every Nissan driver knows Nismo.
And then you got the suede on the dash. So I could be wrong here, but you've bought yours to like cruise on the street, but you bought yours to race.
Maybe sometimes on track, but street legal.
Have you ever taken it on track?
No.
Never. You don't ever plan to?
Maybe in the future.
Maybe, okay. So unfortunately, we can't actually go for a spin in your car. And your car, because it's the most powerful, because of wheel alignment. And I said just live on the edge, just live crazy, but you said it's too much.
Nah.
Guys, thank you for coming on. Thank you.
Thanks.
That was my first car review. I hope it looks all right. But yeah, two bad boys here. Two bad boys. We out.